Hey, this is Brett the Ford Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to find your factory driver's side door code entry code for your 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024 Lincoln Aviator. It's even going to be good for the Grand Touring hybrid models. And this is going to be the door code that you can use to program your own door code. So this is if you didn't get the card and you don't know what the code is, this is how to find that. You're only going to need a couple tools for this door code find. You're going to need a 7mm socket. I prefer having an extension on that socket, and then you're going to need a ratchet, and you're either going to need a traditional flashlight or a flashlight on your smartphone. It's going to be really quick and simple, and if this video helps you find your factory door code, let me know in the comments below and give me a like and subscribe on the YouTube channel, getting closer to 1,000 subscribers every day. And if this saves you any money, consider the super thanks button. Let's get started. It'll be really fast, I promise. All right, so let's just hop in here. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is take this trim piece off. It's actually really easy to do. All you have to do is kind of grab right under the steering wheel and pull lightly. And then that's going to come off. You can see there's all those little blue tabs. Now you're just going to want to set that down real nice, and you're not going to want to move that too much because it's just kind of held on by plastic there, so you don't want to break that. Now the second thing you're going to want to do is take this side panel off, and that just comes off like so with the same tabs. Now you're going to want to grab your socket and ratchet, and there's going to be a bolt right there, and this is why you want the extension on there. You're just going to want to loosen that bolt as much as you can. Now you don't have to take it out. You can get it till it's almost completely out. Depends if you want to mess around putting it back in or not. But it's pretty much completely out right there. Now what you're going to want to do is go right here, turn your flashlight on. You see the fuse box right here. You're just going to want to push that down, and you're going to be able to get your phone in there. And your code is printed on that white sticker in the passenger side, or in the passenger side corner towards the bottom. That's why you got to loosen the bolt. And I don't know if I can zoom enough so that you can see that, but you can see it says key code 49559. That is your factory driver's side door code entry, and it's going to always be with this vehicle. Now you can tighten that bolt back up, put your trim pieces back on, and you're all set to go. I'm just going to tighten this bolt up real quick, just so I can show you how to put it all back together here. All right, now that's secure. All you're going to have to do is just fold this thing back up, and it just snaps right back into place. Same thing with the fuse cover. Just get it on the right way, line up the tabs and push it in, and now you're all set to go. All right, if you remember the code, it was 49559, so 49559. That unlocks the doors. If you press 3-4, that'll unlock all the doors, and if you press 9-0 and 7-8 at the same time, that locks all the doors. Nice little trick. But you can see that that door code works, and that's really all that's to it. All right, guys, it really is that simple to get your driver's side door code entry off of your 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024 Lincoln Aviator. And if you were able to get your driver's side door code entry from watching this video, give me a like and subscribe on the YouTube channel, getting closer to the 1,000 subscribers each and every day. And once I get there, we can do a lot more fun things on this channel. In fact, in a second, you will see a link to subscribe to the YouTube channel in the upper left-hand part of the screen, a link to more door code finds in the upper right, a link to how to program your own factory door code entry with this door code in the lower left, and a link to one of my latest YouTube videos in the lower right. Click those. Check me out on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope I was able to help you out, and have a great day.